To determine an accurate estimate of your 3D print job, use the free Prusa Slicer software available at www.prusa3d.com. Make sure the version you obtain is 260 or later. The printing equipment used in this department are exclusively original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus machines. Make sure to have this model selected here. If it is not present, follow along as shown for it to be included. Within print settings, have 0.3 mm for the layer height and select generic PLA filament. If support material is needed, it can be applied globally for all parts or selectively as shown. Depending on circumstances, it might be worth evaluating whether to use grid or organic style of support. In addition to the printing requirements document on Brightspace, you may optionally wish to save your print job as a project file and include it along with the STL files for submission. This will retain part layout, orientation, and any other specifics you wish to help ensure the job will be completed as expected, and guarantee consistency in the event of printing failures or other unforeseen consequences where a reprint is needed. If you have any questions, feel free to speak with the technologists.